So hi everybody, I'm here at the Uponor booth, and Uponor is very important for hydronics. It's sort of like the vessels in the system. So we're here with Jed and Steph with the Uponor team, and they're going to tell us about why it's important and the good work that they're doing. So this is Jed. Hi Jed, how are you?
Doing good, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. So can you tell us a little bit about your company? I see a lot of like green and blue and orange here. What's Uponor and why is it important to people?
Yeah, so Uponor is the world's leading producer of cross-linked polyethylene pipe. We make PEX A pipe back in Minnesota. So we make a whole lot of pipe that's used for hydronic systems, radiant heating and cooling systems, as well as for plumbing systems for homes and commercial buildings as well.
So this is made in America?
Yep, absolutely, made in Minnesota.
And why is that important when you're talking about PEX? Are all PEX equal?
No, in fact, all PEX is not created equal. There's different types of PEX, PEX A, PEX B, PEX C, and even within the PEX A world, we're seeing a lot of differences in just the consistency of quality. So very important that our PEX is proudly made in the USA, made in Minnesota, to the most stringent standards really anywhere in the industry.
Okay, great. So do you have any examples of what people would use for hydronic heating in their houses?
Yeah, so for hydronic heating in people's homes, typically what we're going to see, you have a radiant system where you have our tubing laid within the floor, could be in a slab or underneath the subfloor in different installations, which provides warm water to heat the space in a very efficient and comfortable way, and also in a way that helps to improve the indoor air quality for the homeowners as well, which is very important to many.
So how does it improve the indoor air quality?
Yeah, it's a great question. It's because we're not using a forced air system to pull air in and cycle around.
So we were talking about indoor air quality, and you were saying that hydronic heating, what is that exactly? What does that mean?
Yeah, so hydronic heating is a heating system that's using water to transport the energy from the source to where the occupants need to experience that heat. And we can do that either with radiators that you might be familiar with in older construction, or with a radiant floor, which is something that we're doing quite a bit more often now.
Great. Well, that's really cool. So you were saying that it helps with indoor air quality?
Yeah, so using hydronics to heat the space, we're not using a forced air system, so we don't have fans blowing air with dust and allergens all through the house, which can cause issues for folks in terms of indoor air quality, and really just the comfort of the occupants as well. In addition to the dust and the allergens, there's all of the noise associated with forced air systems, which a radiant system does a lot to help to reduce those things as well.
I see. Now, PEX is made out of what material?
So it's polyethylene that has been cross-linked. That's the PE stands for polyethylene, and the X is the cross-linking. And we make, like I said earlier, Engel method PEX A pipe back at the factory.
So it's not polyvinyl chloride?
Nope, that's a different material altogether.
So is it safe?
Oh, absolutely safe. NSF 61, we have all of the standards to use it for a drinking water pipe. Even the pipe that we use in a heating system is rated for potable applications as well.
And what temperatures can it sustain?
So on the hydronic side and the heating side, we can go up to 200 degrees. On a plumbing system, we keep that below at 140 or below, because once you introduce chlorine into a system, we need to keep that temperature a little bit lower.
I see. So in hydronics, you can go up to 200. Most systems aren't designed at that temperature.
No, they're not. We're seeing things 160 on the high end, but most systems nowadays, especially a radiant floor, they operate at very low temperatures. We're looking at 90 degrees, 100 degrees for a floor.
Would this be good for air-to-water heat pumps?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Air-to-water heat pumps, water-to-water heat pumps, great solution for those.
So do you think that people should ask if they're using Uponor products in their installations?
100%. They should ask for Uponor specifically when they're looking into a project, either on the radiant side or on the plumbing side. There's a definite difference between what we manufacture at Uponor and what you're finding from our competitors in this country.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Jed, for the information. I'm super excited to meet you, and super excited about hydronics.
Yeah, thanks for stopping.